One area where AI hasn't been so transformative is within data visualization. And this has been because of hallucinations, its inability to really handle graphing well. This has now changed with the release of Gemini 3, especially in the Gemini app with Canvas. This allows you to create dashboards within React apps that are shareable with your colleagues that look very professional. And the best thing about this is that you can go in and spot edit certain parts of the dashboard to make your workflow much faster, and you can add multiple new features using the Gemini app. So let's head over to the Gemini app now and show you how to create dashboards with Gemini 3. To get started creating dashboards with the Gemini app, we need to select Canvas. This creates our dashboard app. We can also create infographics with images, but we're going with Canvas for this one, and I'll tell you why as we go through this development. We choose the Gemini 3 model, and that is the thinking model. And what I'm going to say is I want you to create a professional dashboard showing sales for my bike store in 2023, and I'm just going to bring this data in. Now this data has a country and it has a product category. Very simple data set, but we just want to see this broken down into a dashboard. So I've given that through to the Gemini app. This is now thinking about how it's going to visualize and how it's going to do the dashboard. Now what's happening here in the background is this is creating a React app, and most importantly for dashboards, it's hard coding this data in here. So we don't have to worry about hallucinations. The numbers that we've given it are the numbers that are going to come out in the dashboard. Within a few seconds, we have our first draft of the dashboard, which is laid out well, consists of some scorecards. We have a column chart in there, we've got a donut chart, and we have a detailed data table. Now I'm not happy with the design of this, so I just want to rebrand the dashboard in the Trek colors, and I've given that Trek logo in here. I just want to say ensure color best practices are maintained and all elements are visible. Now this loads Nano Banana Pro to help with the design, and it's going to rebrand with the Trek colors. So this is now writing all the data again, and when I go into preview, now this is redesigned with the Trek colors. I'm not crazy about this blue. This looks kind of okay, but I want to change the blue to a black that more fits in with the aesthetic we're going for, and I want the icons to look more professional. So now it's going to do that, and when it re-previews again, it looks a lot better. A really nice feature with Canvas is the ability to spot edit. So I have a little square in here and I can just pick an icon and I can say change this to a bike icon instead of the icon it has there already, and it's done that. So that select and drag is a really good tool to edit. Now I want to change this into a more advanced dashboard, so I'm going to give it the 2022 data, and I want that to have a comparison year on year, filters for the years, and an export function that will bring out this as an image. So it's doing that now. It's doing some trend analysis. It's going to bring out my export, my year-on-year comparison, and you can really see the value of Canvas in here because we're adding new functionality to the dashboard, and we can keep adding new functionality as much as we want. So this is 2022, 2023, a nice filter between the years there. I can do my export image, and this is how the live image has come out. So really good functionality from Canvas. This brings dashboarding with AI on to the next generation of models, and I think there's some really good functionality in this. The best part about this is that you're able to build new functionality on the fly, and if these numbers were to change or I was to introduce 2024 data, I would just have to paste that in and it can change the dashboard for me. You can also share this dashboard within Gemini itself, and everything is in code, so you could just export this code out in Gemini and stick it onto a company web page. This isn't at a stage yet where this is going to replace dashboarding tools, but I believe more than ever before the building blocks are there for this to happen. I hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.